If you're already getting clicks to your CPA marketing offers, that is actually an indication that you will soon be earning some cool amount of cash with CPA marketing. And that's why in today's video, I'm going to show you an amazing strategy you can actually use to start getting lots of traffic to your CPA marketing offer. And if you do watch this video right here, you will be able to learn this strategy and also go on to utilizing this even if you're a beginner. If you're new to my channel, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online. If you do like such content, make sure you do go on to scrolling through my channel and you'll be able to see some cool videos that could help you boost your income. You could also go on to subscribing to this channel for me to always alert you whenever I release much more amazing videos that could be helpful to you in boosting your income online. With that being said, let's jump right ahead into today's video. So firstly guys, you want to head on to this platform called CPAGrip. This is actually an amazing CPA marketing platform you could take advantage of. And if you don't know what CPA marketing actually is, CPA marketing is actually a cost per action marketing, which actually involves you directing people to do some simple tasks, and you're actually going to get paid for them doing simple tasks like signing up to a website, completing a simple survey by submitting their email address or zip code, downloading an application, and you actually do get paid some cool affiliate commission for directing people to do so. So if you want to just simply register for this platform, click on register. You'll be brought to this page and you want to basically focus on the fields having this red asterisk signs, and you can see the signs right here. It actually indicates the required field which you must go on to filling out before your account can get created. You could actually come right here, click on this terms of service, and actually go on to reading through that. Then you could check these boxes out to actually agree to the terms of service. Once you do that right now, you can go on to clicking on register now to go on to creating an account, and you can then go on to logging into your account. So as you can see right now, I'm logged into my account, and to get to this page which I am right now, you want to just simply come right here, click on monetization tools, select the URL file lockers, and you should be brought to a page that will look similar to this. And right now we're actually going to be using the strategy of content locking to get traffic to our CPA marketing offers. To do so, you want to click on create new URL file locker, come right here, agree to the terms of service. After reading through that right in this section, click on continue, and you will be brought to a page such as this where you can actually go on to creating a URL file locker. And in doing this strategy guys, it is important that you actually do have a valuable content which you want to log in your content locker for people to actually complete offers before they can gain access to that content. And that content should actually be valuable to your audience such that they can actually do anything to go on to gaining access to that. And to get a cool content such as that, you can actually head on to platforms like this, which is actually the freeebook.net. And on this platform, you can actually get free ebooks which you can actually log in your content locker. And if I do go on to showing you some profitable niches which you could focus on for ebooks, you can actually do see right here that you could focus on any one of these niches right now. And these are actually one of the best niches you could go on to focusing on. You can see the digital marketing, the relationship, the personal finance and investing niche, the food and recipe niche, blogging and make money online niche, and also the personal development and self-care niche. So these are actually cool niches you want to make sure you do go on to focusing on. Now if we head back to this particular platform called the free-ebooks.net, you want to click on this category section right here and actually go on to selecting the non-fiction. If you do that, you will be able to see some cool categories under the non-fiction. Go on to selecting maybe the food and recipes. Maybe if I want to focus on that particular niche right now, the page is actually going to go on to loading up, and I will be able to see a lot of ebooks under that particular category of niche. So if you do take a look at this right now guys, these are actually the ebooks under the food and recipe niche. You can see right here, this actually has to do with the keto diet to lose weight. This is actually the 10 delectable amazing corn recipes. So supposing I want to focus on one of these ebooks right now, you can see more details of the ebooks right here. I can just simply click on this particular one right now, and you can see right here it brought me to this page. All I actually have to do is to click on download, and I will be able to go on to downloading this ebook. I can download the PDF file right now by clicking on PDF file. You can see the size is about 1.4 MB, and that particular ebook will automatically be downloaded on my device. So as you can see right now, the ebook is actually being downloaded on my device. What you want to do next is to actually head onto this platform right here, which is called the mediafire.com. If you do head onto this platform, you want to just simply go on to sign up for absolutely free with either your email address, or you could sign up manually, or you could go on to signing up with a social media platform like Facebook or Twitter. But right now I'm going to go on to logging into my account. What you want to do next is to click on this upload icon. You want to click on this plus icon and actually upload that ebook which we just downloaded right now. This is the ebook. I'm going to click on open and actually click on begin download and or upload, and this will actually be uploaded in a matter of some seconds right now. So as you can see right now, this is actually being uploaded on this platform. Once it has actually been uploaded, we can actually go on to getting a link that will actually lead people to this particular ebook. So what you want to do right now after this has actually been uploaded, you want to click on copy link, and the link to this ebook will be copied to your clipboard as you can see right now. You could also come right here, you'll be able to see the ebook among one of these. So if you do take a look at this right now, this is actually the ebook. I can actually do click on this link icon to copy the link, or I could click on this three dot and actually do click on copy link to actually copy the link. So once the link has been copied, head back to your URL file locker right now, and I'm just actually going to come right here and paste in that link in this locked URL section. Once that has been pasted, I'm going to go to the template section and actually do select a template. I'm going to select the file share template, head back to general, and right here I'm going to change this locker name to something like keto locker, which is actually related to that book right now. You want to just simply edit these details right here as you can see to that fits in that particular book. So if I do go on to checking out the name for that book right now, you can see the name is the Easy Keto Diet to Lose Weight. So right now I'm going to come right here and paste in that particular name. And you can see right here, this is how it's actually going to look, but I can actually do go on to maybe typing in that to actually make it look better. So right now you can see the name actually do fit in. So now you want to go on to changing the size of that particular ebook right now. You can see the size right here is about 1.59 MB. I'm going to go on to changing that right now in this section. So once that has been changed, you could change the uploaded date right now to maybe putting in something like today's date. Then also change the last downloaded date to a very current date right now. Once you actually do change all these guys, you just want to make sure you do go on to clicking on save, and your URL file locker will actually be created right now. So once your URL file locker has been created, you could click on get link and actually do go on to copying the link right now. You could also customize the link to your preference and actually go on to using that. So what you want to do right now is to actually do click on copy link. If you copy the link, you want to head on to platforms like Instagram right now to drive traffic to that. You want to make sure guys that you actually do create a very cool Instagram account tailored to that particular niche which you're actually going to be focusing on. If you're focusing on the make money online niche, create an account that will look similar to this right now. If you're actually focusing on the food niche, create an account that looks similar to the food niche, and that account right there should have a very cool banner or profile photo, a very cool account name, and also a very cool bio. In the bio of your account, make sure you do leave the link to that particular URL file locker, like how this person actually did right now. And you want to then just simply go on to trying as much as possible to drive traffic to that link by uploading regularly and consistently. If you're uploading 2 to 3 times every single day, make sure you're actually consistent with that of every single day right now. And consistency actually leads to growth. And you can actually maybe get content from other social media platforms like TikTok right here. As you can see, if I do search for the recipe niche on TikTok, you'll be able to see some cool videos right now which you could go on to using. There are lots of videos right here. So all you actually have to do is to download a video from TikTok and actually go on to uploading that on your Facebook page or your Instagram page right now. And if you do that guys, you are not actually going to face any form of copyright issue because this is actually acceptable. But what you want to do is to make sure you're actually giving credit to the owners of that particular video. So if you do that, make sure you use that to drive traffic to your link right now. And maybe if you do create a post directing people to that particular link, you can also go on to promoting that post by using this particular platform called the likeforlike.org. And this platform actually helps you go on to boosting your social media presence right here. If you do come right here, you want to just simply follow these 4 simple steps to boost your social media presence and this works absolutely fine. Use this platform, drive traffic to that particular post, and also go on to gaining some cool cash with this, because the more traffic which you do get to that particular post, the more leads, the more clicks, and the more money which you're actually going to be making right there, because from clicks you actually do get to making conversions, and you do make some cool cash once you actually do that. So do this right now, even as a beginner, and earn money online. That's it for now. I do hope this video was helpful. Do make sure you go on to smashing the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ensure your notification bell is always turned on all. See you all in my next video. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.